Cherry has made a comeback to the mobile scene with the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR. Shortly after this, Honor released the Honor X8b. These two smartphones have a very similar price point. But which one should you get? What's up guys? It's Dwayne here. Join us today as we check out the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR and the Honor X8b in this head-to-head comparison. Let's start with each of the phone's designs. In terms of design, the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR and Honor X8b are both decent looking phones. With the Aqua GR, you've got this black, minimalist design with a plastic frame and matte finish. The main lens is at the center, while the other two sensors are on the left and right sides. Meanwhile, the X8b has a aluminum frame with a leatherette finish, and it's got a square camera module seen on the upper left of the device. Both devices feature a USB-C port, a single downward firing speaker, and a dual SIM card tray. One main difference between the two phones is construction. The Aqua GR has a matte finish, and the X8b has a leatherette finish. What does that mean? Well, you don't have to worry about getting any smudges or fingerprints with any of these two, and they're both nice to hold with just one hand. And then you have the colors of the phone themselves. Cherry Mobile Aqua GR is only available in this black colorway, while the Honor X8b comes in this glamorous green color, perfect for users that want a bit more color on their phones. The X8b also has titanium silver and midnight black options. As we always say, style is subjective, but the Cherry Mobile does look and feel more premium and classy. But if you want something loud, then the Honor X8b is something more your speed. Comparing the designs can be polarizing, but at the end of the day, it still boils down to personal preference. For display, the Honor X8b has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display and comes with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. Viewing under direct sunlight isn't a problem with this guy, as it's got a whopping 2000 nits of peak brightness and the saturation of the display is quite decent too. Meanwhile, with the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR, you've got this 6.8-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. A smooth viewing and gameplay experience guaranteed. However, both devices do use a single mono loudspeaker. They both have an okay sound quality, but we do suggest just pairing your Bluetooth headphones or earphones instead. So, if you want that smooth display with up to 120 Hz, the Aqua GR might be a better bet for you. But if you plan to use your phone under direct sunlight a lot, then the X8b might just be the better option. Moving into the performance department, one of the key differences between the Aqua GR and the X8b can be found under the hood. Powering the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR is a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, while the Honor X8b uses a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset. The Snapdragon chipset is rather dated, as it was launched in October of 2021. In comparison, the Dimensity 7050 was only introduced back in May of 2023. Based on the benchmark scores from our reviews, the Dimensity 7050 is heaps faster than the Snapdragon 680. As a result, you can enjoy gaming and do more tasks with the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR as opposed to the Honor X8b. For storage, both devices come with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to double its size, giving you a grand total of 16GB of RAM. The Honor X8b comes with 512GB of internal memory, while the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR only has 256GB. So keep note of that if you're particular about storage capacity. Although it is worth mentioning that the Aqua GR storage is expandable via microSD of up to 1TB. For cameras, both phones come with a triple rear camera system. The Cherry Mobile Aqua GR sports a 108MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor. In comparison, the Honor X8b has a 108MP main lens, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP macro lens. Though colors pop out and night photography isn't the best with both devices, the Honor X8b edges out more as details come out slightly better than the Aqua GR's cameras. For the selfie cameras though, Honor appears to have the better unit on paper. The X8b features a 50MP front camera, which is insane as it captures excellent selfies in most lighting conditions. Check out some of our sample shots right here. Moving on, while the front camera on the Cherry Mobile is also decent, users will have to settle with only 16 megapixels at max. As for shooting videos, the Aqua GR is capable of capturing videos at 4K at 30 FPS, while the X8b can only go up to 1080p at 30 FPS. While the X8b isn't capable of shooting at a high resolution, the Aqua GR does not have EIS or electronic image stabilization, which means you have to make sure you really have steady hands when shooting videos with it. Both are kind of a double-edged sword in this sense. Both devices run on Android 13 skin with their respective company's UI. They both come with their own pre-installed applications, and there isn't much difference when navigating between both user interfaces. For the battery, we got a small difference. The Honor X8b runs on a 4500 mAh battery, while the Cherry Mobile Aqua GR is equipped with a slightly bigger 4700 mAh pack. Depending on how you use the devices, they can last for almost a day. So the question is, which one charges faster when they're plugged in? Well, the Aqua GR takes this one as it comes with 67 watts of fast charging support, while the X8b only has 33 watts of support. They do almost take an hour to charge the device to 100%, but the Aqua GR is slightly faster. For reference, here are the battery test results we got for both devices. Now, the moment that everyone's been waiting for, the prices. Considering what both devices can do, they're very affordable. Overall, it's not hard to choose the Aqua GR given everything it offers for the price, especially if you plan to, play games, do more with a modern chipset. But if you want a phone with a focus on camera work, you can't really go wrong with the Honor X8b. So after everything has been said, which one of these phones would you choose? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. And if you found this video informative or interesting, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more of our content. Also, leave us a follow on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Dwayne, and see you guys in the next video. Ciao for now!